Hi guys, it's me Mixie. For today's video, we will mix Ocean Blue semi-gloss latex paint for concrete wall. Like the deepest part of the ocean, Ocean Blue cools you off instantly with its dark and refreshing qualities. When used in the kitchen, this sophisticated blue pairs well with light shades like white or light gray. If you are new to our channel, please do click the subscribe button and be updated on our more upcoming paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Our client order 1 liter Ocean Blue semi-gloss latex paint. Let's start by 60% ratio of semi-gloss latex white. Then let's add acrylic phthalo blue. Also add acrylic phthalo green. Let's now stir the paint very well to come out the color result. We are much lighter. Let's add more acrylic phthalo blue. Let's match the color on my client chosen sample. It's almost the same. Just add more semi-gloss latex, white, acrylic phthalo blue, and acrylic phthalo green until it's fully 1 liter. Yes, it's Ocean Blue. Already, mixing accomplished. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to keep updated on my paint mixing tutorial videos. For more info, questions, and requests about paint mixing, paint colors, painting procedures, painting materials, and kind of paint, just comment here. Thank you so much. God bless.